Today account is getting reduced. Today, do you have any test? Any test like that? Isn't it? Okay, guys. Yesterday, we people are seeing about the stack, isn't it? We are seeing about stack, queue, linked list, all those things we are seeing about it. And now we are going to see one of the important implementation of stack. I told you that various purpose of stack, where it is used for, and the real-time examples we are seeing to it, right? Now we are going to see one of the important implementation of this stack, that is expression evaluation. So here you'll be getting questions like they'll be giving your input in some format. So they'll be naming an expression like expression comes under either it may be an infix expression, okay, or the expression might be prefix expression, the expression may be postfix expression. So they will be giving input in one format and you are supposed to modify in the other format, evaluating expression. So you might get questions from this guys in case of MCQs. They'll ask given infix and they'll ask us to convert to prefix and postfix. We'll see how to convert this one. Okay, we'll see how the expression is going to be there and this how to evaluate these expressions. Guys, keep in mind this concept is very important one. If you learn this one, it is an easy scoring area. Okay, so here when I say expression, expression can be given in different format. For example, if at all I give expression like this, a plus b. This is a normal infix expression, guys. Okay, if you want to convert this as a prefix, I'll just prefix in the sense plus ab. I'll write the expression like this plus ab, where the operator is placed before to it and followed by the operands are placed next to it. This is all about a prefix. In case of postfix, I'll place the operand before and operator after. This is all about your postfix expression, guys. Actually, we'll be doing this by using a stack. So right now, I'll teach you people how to find out this one as soon as you see the program. No need of going to stack memory, work on it. Right now, I'll tell you directly how to do it. Okay. So I'll give you one more example. If at all the expression is given like this, x into y, the expression can be of any way, guys. Okay, you're supposed to write equal infix and prefix expression. Look at here. So what we do here? Whatever the expression is there, I place symbol before to it. So what is the expression here? It is given x into y. This is the infix expression we are given. So what you're supposed to do is xy is the operand, and what is the operation I'm doing for this operand? I'm doing multiplication for it. Okay, and the next one is what I'm doing, I'm adding z to it, to which I'm adding already existing multiplied value of x and y, I'm adding z, right? So I should place this plus symbol, okay, here, and I should place this z here. Guys, can you able to follow me what I'm saying? So along with the existing expression, I'm going to perform addition of z. This is already existing expression is there. Along with the value, calculated value, I'll add z, right? So I'll add the symbol before to it. Placing the operator before comes under prefix. Okay. So here, in case of postfix, how it is done? So you can notice that in case of postfix, you'll be having x and y. Operand is there and followed by the operator and z plus. This could be a postfix. Is this clear, guys? Guys, are you this is a naive approach I'm showing you people. As soon as you see the expression, how can we find out the answer for it? Come on. Okay. The same expression can be solved by using stack also. I'll tell you by stack for postfix. Okay, prefix will be a little confusing. For postfix, I'll tell you guys, listen carefully. So what a stack memory will be like this, ma. A stack memory will be like this. And here, what is the expression? You can notice the postfix expression. Infix to postfix, you're going to see here, ma. Here, just a minute. Let me bring this one down. Okay. Here, what you're doing is we're having the first what you're having, we're having parenthesis. So I'll place this parenthesis in a stack. And next I'll have one more parenthesis. I'll place this one more parenthesis in a stack. And after this we are having x. So x will be represented here. And after this we are having multiplication symbol. I'll mention multiplication symbol. After this what I'm having y. I'm having y here. So I'll place y here. So after this what I'm getting close parenthesis. So whenever I get close parenthesis, I'll search for the equal open parenthesis. So after this I'm having one multiplication symbol. I'll place the multiplication symbol, which means that I'm popping out this data. So this is popped out. And after this the equal matching is found. So this is also popped out. This is that. Okay. And the next element is followed by plus. And next is z. And after to it we are having closing symbol. So whenever I find closing symbol, I'll find the equal open symbol. Now what happened? A z will be popped out. So this is popped out, and next element is plus. This is how your postfix works, guys. So after this this will be popped out. Is it clear? If you want to write properly by using stack memory, this is how it works. As a naive approach, you can able to solve it easily. What is the approach I showed you is a naive approach, guys. I didn't mention any logic behind here. Very simple. If whenever there is an expression, I'll write expression all together. In case of prefix, I'll place a symbol before to it. If at all I'm going to add some value along with the expression, I'll add a symbol before to it. Make sure that if 2 or 3 operators is coming without parenthesis, their operator precedence will be taken. We know BODMAS rule, right? Bracket, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. The BODMAS rule will be applied there. Okay. Now, just a minute now. Here in case of postfix, just I'm taking this expression and placing the symbol after to the operand. And along with the existing expression, I'm going to add z. I'm going to mention z plus. I guess you people are clear with this. I'm going to give you few expression, guys. We are going to solve one by one. Okay. And your next expression is x. You'll be getting questions from this, guys. You're supposed to write equivalent postfix expression or prefix expression. You're supposed to write it. Z plus t. Now, I want you people to write equivalent postfix expression, the prefix expression for it. First try for prefix, then you can go for postfix. Try it. Okay, started writing. Okay, Harika. Good. Good, Harika. Good, Mauni. Good. Harika. Mauni, no. That's wrong. Amartya, that's wrong. Don't bring all the operators here. Listen carefully. This operator will be based on the expression. If at all I'm adding this result along with this, then I'll place this operator here. So if this part is separate, you're supposed to place operator only before to it. I guess you people confused it. Don't bring all the operator before to it. You'll never find the result there. Janvi, good. Rajesh. Why this bracket, Rajesh? Remove the parenthesis. Parenthesis is not allowed here. You're supposed to remove the parenthesis. No parenthesis. Sai Vikash, good. Puja. No Puja. That's wrong. Soumya, prefix, okay, good for Soumya, that's right. Amatya, again it is wrong. Multiplication symbol where you are supposed to place? Vikash. Good, Vikash, right. Pratusha, good. Shall we? Okay. Puja. No, Puja. Saranya. What is this Saranya all about? Is it postfix? Okay, listen, guys. We'll discuss here. Listen, listen. So what we did, we told that we are supposed to group the expression. If the parenthesis is given, this is a separate expression, isn't it? And if the parenthesis is given, this is a separate expression. So what happens here? We are supposed to place x and y is there. So xy, symbol plus a space before to it. Same way, I'm having one more expression, zt, zt or zt. Okay, I'm doing plus operation before to it. Okay, what I'm doing these two, this is separate operation and this is separate operation, guys. So what I'm doing these two operations, these two, I'm multiplying this result along with the existing result. So you're supposed to place this multiplication symbol before to it. Don't confuse it. This is what I told you. If the parenthesis occurs, it is different. Without parenthesis, it is different. Okay. And the same way, is it clear, guys? Got what is prefix? Now will you write for postfix? Try it for postfix. Postfix is very easy, right? Heyman, that is good. Good, Heyman, good. Checker, they're good. That's right. Harika, good. That's right. Janvi, right. Naginder, right. Gayatri, right. Rajesh, good. I could see postfix everyone is doing fine. That's good. Akash, that's right. Narendra, symbol is missing. Something confused with this. I guess Mary Narendra is there. Gora Narendra. That's wrong, Narendra. Even if you place plus at the end, that is also wrong. Moni, that's right, Moni. Okay, we'll discuss this, guys. Okay, listen. So what is that? X and Y is there. So XY, add it. ZT, the separate expression. ZT, add it. What are you going to do these two? So these two expression multiply it. So place a multiplication next to it. Okay. This is the operation behind it. So this will be something interesting, guys, if you understand the logic behind it. I'll give you some other expression. Yes, Lazari, that's right. I'll give you some other expression, guys. If we take x plus y followed by into z, then followed by, let me give some big expression for you people. Use division v plus W. Close it. I guess it is clustered properly, right? Open, close, open, close. Okay, fine. Start doing for this prefix first. Or is it Haika? Good. Good, Harika. Good. Good, Heyman. That's right. Jessica, that's right. Akash, right. Good. Pratusha, that's right. Soumya, Amartya, that no, Amartya. That's not right. Amartya, you're confusing somewhere, I guess. Logical wise, you're confusing somewhere. Yeah, I found out previously also. Soumya, no, that's not right. Narendra. Nagender, no. Nagender and Saikma, no. That's not right. You missed with the symbol. Rajesh. That's right, Rajesh. Good. Mm, Chakradhar, good. That's right. Gayatri, that's right. Pooja, no. It's not right, ma. Who's that next? Meenakshi, that's right, Meenakshi. Where is Z? No, Meenakshi, that's wrong. Expression is something is missing in expression. Janvi, no, that's not right. Likely, pair come division, all those things comes. No, likely. Sai Ganesh, that's right. Santosh, yes. Santosh, just a minute. Yes, that's right. Yeah, fine. Now it is good. Good morning. Now it is right. Okay, shall we discuss this one? Listen here. Let me tell you how to evaluate this, guys. Take this first expression. Okay, just a minute, Pradusha. I'll complete this and I'll see to your postfix. First, take the first expression, xy. What you're going to do? Add this, isn't it? The reason you are given is first preference is given for a bracket. Okay, these two are added. Along with the result, z is multiplied. This is done, kept separately. Okay, along with the result, it is kept separately. So what I can do is, you people will be writing this z here. Instead of this, you're going to add the z here, isn't it? So xy added along with this result, z will be placed. This is a separate expression. The same way, uv What I'm going to perform UV? I'm going to perform division of it. Okay, and I'm going to add W to along with the expression. Guys, is this clear? Two separate expression, guys. This is separate expression and this expression is given UV division. And along with the division, I'm going to add W. So I mentioned here addition. The same way this expression is separate, XY, okay, XY followed by plus. And Z is added along with it. Now what you're going to do with these two expression? You're going to subtract these two expression, right? So place this subtraction here. Join these two. Clear? Is this prefix expression clear how to solve it? If at all you're having some doubt, you can notice this one. Okay, this expression should be made very clear, guys. So do it separately. So if the bracket is given as well and good, you can solve very easily. Now you can go ahead with the postfix. One by one start posting. Okay. Just a minute, guys. Just give me a second. Meanwhile, I can solve it. I'll be back. Okay, just a minute. Pratusha. Yeah, that's good, Pratusha. Good. Hemant. Mm, fine. Good. Navya, good. That's right. Navya Meenakshi, Saranya. Fine, that's good. Saranya's done. Sushma. Good, Sushma. Sai Vikash, good. Akash, good. Akash, somewhere you missed it. No, Akash. Akash, that's wrong. Okay. And Santosh. That's good, Santosh. Good. Harika. Yeah, that's good, Harika. Janvi. V plus. Yeah, that's good, Janvi. Lakshmi Priya. Prasanna. Sorry, ma. Lakshmi Prasanna. Yeah, good, Lakshmi Prasanna. That's right. Durga Rajesh. No, Durga Rajesh, you're supposed to check with your answer again for postfix. Janvi, you mentioned again. Now it is right, Janvi. Good. Chakradhar. Yeah, good, Chakradhar. Lagari. No, Lagari, you confused somewhere. You got confused somewhere. Sai Ganesh. No, Sai Ganesh. That's not right. You're supposed to rewrite it again. Guys, shall we discuss the answer? Okay, Sai Kumar is writing again. Yeah, now it is right, Sai Kumar. Good. Akash. Yeah, that's right, Akash. Good. Okay, guys, we'll discuss this. Then I can go for the next expression. So by morning, we are going to see one of the expression part. It is very important. Okay, we'll be seeing different kind of expression and how to solve it. Sai Ganesh. Now it's good, ma. Mauni. Mm, yeah, that's good, Mauni. Good. Okay, guys, we'll see how to solve this one. So what is the expression here? X and Y. X, Y. So what you're supposed to do? Make plus before to it. Okay. And next what will have? Z. What you're going to do Z you're going to add along with the existing expression. Put this Z star. This separate expression done. U, V divided and WG you're going to add to it. This is done. So what you're going to do these two expression subtraction of it. So this is separate parenthesis and this is separate parenthesis. So what you're supposed this is a separate result, this is separate result. Both the thing you're going to subtract it. Guys, the same thing we did it. So previously I solved this one separately, solved this one separately, place a subtraction symbol before to it, right? Here after to it. So this is what you're supposed to do. Got it? Now, I'm going to give the same program with small changes, guys, where your output varies. Output is not same. The same scenario where we are going to take in this place, in place of bracket, I'm going to remove the bracket here. Now give me the prefix expression. It is important to understand with bracket, without bracket, what happens. A symbol varies, guys. Okay. Who has did? Just a minute. Janvi. No, Janvi. Harika. Good, Harika. Good. Navya. Just a minute, Navya. I'll check to it. Mm, no. Chakrada, check with the answer. That's not right. Navya. That's fine. Good, Navya. Gayatri, no. Sai Pavan, no. Pratusha, no. No, Pratusha. That's not right. Amatya, no. Sai Pavan, no. Lakshmi Prasanna, good. That's right. Durga Rajesh, wrong. Akash, wrong. Narendra, wrong. Bhuvneshwari, no. Janvi, no. Sushma, no. Hemant, wrong. Guys, check with the operator precedence. I told you operator precedence will be given. Mauni, no. No, Mauni, that's not right. Vamsi, no. No, guys. Jai Prakash, that's right, Jai Prakash. Good. No. Chinmay, no. Saranya, no. Ramateja, no. Hardly I could see hard. 3 or 4 members I did rightly. Rewrite the Sai Ganesh, no, that's not right. Guys, we can't able to change the order of the variable. That's not possible to change the order of the variable. I could see many people has written y, z, then followed by x. Don't do that. Order of the variable cannot be modified. The order should be same. Ramateja, no ma. Even then. Guys, as I told you, how we thought you people take one expression and evaluate it, take one expression and evaluate it. You can able to trace it easily. Janvi, now it is right. Good. If you are taking one separate evaluation expression, it will be easy to understand. Yeah, that's right, Lakshmi Prashna. That's right, ma. Santosh, again you tried it. No, Santosh. No, 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 Santosh. That's not right. Pooja, no, that's not. Just a minute, Pooja. Just a minute. I'll check to it. After this, I could see few answers has came. Pooja has did it. Yeah, Pooja, that's right. Santosh, check the code again. Yeah, now it is right, Ganesh. Amatya. Mm-hmm. No, Amatya. Sai Vikash. Yeah, good, Sai Vikash. Now it is right. Good, ma. Sai Pavan. Yes, good. Now I guess you people got what is the logic behind it. Shall we solve here? I guess few people, majority of the people has did it, right? Shall we solve this one? Okay, listen. Listen here. So what is the first expression? X plus y and y into z. Which operator is given first preference, guys? Which operator is given first preference? Multiplication operator is given first preference, right? So what happened? Y, z and followed by multiplication will happen first. Then along with this result, what will happen? You're going to add x value, x plus. So if you're just doing this based on the operator present, that is fine. Whenever there is no proper bracket is there. Here the bracket is there, so first preference is given for a bracket. So we are taking this away. The same way here you can notice that there is no bracket is there, right? So you're supposed to give first preference for y and z. Then you're supposed to add x along with it. Now this is done. And here this operation is same. There is no changes in this operation. Somewhat is going to be same. And here you're supposed to place a minus symbol before to it. So this is all about your prefix, guys. So if there is no bracket, then evaluate the expression based on the precedence of the operator. Now can go ahead with the postfix. Postfix, Sai Pavan, that is good. Vikash. Sai Pavan, where is subtraction symbol is missing? Because that is good. Puja, no, just a minute, Puja. Postfix, right? Yes, good. That's right. Mm, Pratusha, good. That's right. I guess, okay, who missed it? Pradusha, you missed the X. No, Pradusha, that's wrong. That's just a minute, guys, just a minute. I noticed first two variables. Pooja's is right, and followed by Pradusha. That's not right, Pradusha. You're supposed to check to it again. Janvi. That's right, Janvi. Navya. Mm, that's right, Navya. Mauni, check your answer again. No, Amatya, check it again. Chinmay. That's right, Chinmay. Deepchan, check it again. No. Harika. Harika, no. Guys, don't change the order of the variable. Order of the variable cannot be changed. Okay, keep this in mind. Harika, just a minute, guys. Many answers are popping up. Okay, one by one. Harika written two or three answers. Right, just a minute, Harika. I'll go on a sequence. Messages will keep on popping. Just give me a second, guys. Mm, yeah, that is right, Harika. Now, Ramateja, no. Durga Rajesh, that's right. Santosh, that's wrong. Pratusha, no. Order of the variable, you changed it. That's not possible. Here, Chakradhar, no. Chakradhar. Saranya, no. Gayatri, no. Manikant. After long back, I'm seeing this name. What happened, Manikant? I couldn't see for long. For first two or three classes, I've seen your messages. After this, you're so quiet. Hmm? Are you there for these classes? So many classes. I didn't notice your name at all. Okay. Manikant, where is W? You missed W. Place W there, okay? Sai Kumar. That's right, Sai Kumar. Good. Shushma. No, Sushma. Pradusha, no. Sai Ganesh. Yes, that's right. Sai Vamsi. No. Bora Narendra, no. Saranya, yes, that's right. Mm, Krishna, that's right, Krishna. Akash, no, that's not right. Few people, half of the people has written right, and few crowd has written my misorder. Sai Ganesh, no, Sai Ganesh, no, that's not right. Okay, listen, we'll look at here. Still, you people are posting. Pratusha, now it is right. Hemant, now it is right. Good. Okay, listen here. Listen here, ma. We'll start discussing this one. So what I told you, you're going to give x and y plus preference, right? X, so y and z. So y and z, multiplication of it. I can't change the order of x, occurrence of x. X is added. After doing multiplication, I'm adding this. Got it? You can notice that how I'm evaluating it. First I'm doing multiplication, then I've added x to it, right? The same way, first you are doing multiplication of these two, then add x to it. Don't try to change the order. Let the order be in the same order itself. So you'll be getting this as your first part, guys. So this is very important. First these two will be evaluated, then x is added. So when this two happens first, do this first, then add x to it. Don't change the order of it. Don't place x here. You can't able to change the order of a variable. Okay, this is done. And followed by the second part is same, guys. Second part will have a uv divide and followed by w plus. And what you're doing subtraction of this particular element, right? So you're going to mention minus. Okay, this is how you're supposed to write the postfix expression. So I'm going to give you now without parenthesis. So far we have seen with parenthesis, right? If the same expression is taken like this. Just a minute. We are going to take the same expression, and this expression I'm going to place without parenthesis. The same expression, one or everything comes under single expression, or you can remove this also. Now let me know what is the prefix. X plus y into z plus t. First prefix expression, guys, then postfix. So you'll be getting only expression like this. We can't able to give the exact question what you'll be getting. So you're supposed to solve it. So in case of data structure, you'll be having this expression evaluation. Apart from this tree traversal, in order, pre-order, post order. So these two concepts are very important concepts where we'll be getting question often from it. Manikant. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys, one by one. We are writing prefix, right? No, Manikant, that is not right. Hemant, no. Venkat, Ravi Raja, no. Pratusha, no. Mauni, no. It's wrong. Meenakshi, no. Saranya, no. Rajesh, no. I can see even one right answer. Santosh, no. Chinmay, no. Sai Ganesh, no. That's not right. Prefix is not right. And your postfix answer is right. No, both the things are wrong. Mauni, no. Pradusha, no. Gayatri, no. No, guys. I didn't get even one right answer. Janvi, no. Sai Vikash, no. Lakshmi Prasanna, no. Hemant, no. Lagri, no. No. Sushman, no. No. Guys, look at the operator precedence and just evaluate as I did. So if you're going to add something with the existing result, place the symbol before to it. Puja. Yes, Puja. That's right. Puja got the answer. Soumya, no. Jessica, no. Narendra, no. Ramateja, no. Amatya, no. Okay. Krishna, no. Dharni, no. Janvi, no. Lokesh, very good. That's right. Guys, think to it. The normal, how do you do mathematical calculation? The same order. Lakshmi Prasanna. Yes, now it is right, Lakshmi Prasanna. Good. Mm, Amartya, no. Soumya, no. Rajesh, Durga Rajesh. Yes, now it is right, ma. Puja, that is for your postfix, isn't it? Yeah, for postfix, that's right, Puja. Sai Pavan. Guys, he started writing for postfix. Okay. Okay. For postfix, that's right. Prefix not yet completed still. Okay. Okay, we'll see to prefix, guys. Then we can go for postfix. So few has answered in Q&A answer question also. Just a minute, I'll see to it. No, Sai Ganesh, that's not right. Harika, just a minute. You're giving answer. Harika, your postfix answer is right. Okay. Sai Vikash, no Sai Vikash. Gayatri, no. Sai Pavan, no. Soumya, no. Okay, guys, we'll complete this one. Then you can go for postfix. Okay. Let me write answer. We'll check for the answers for this. What is the first operation that will happen here? Okay, I told you the naive approach how to solve this. What is the first preference will be happening here, guys? Answer me for this. First multiplication will happen, right? So if the multiplication happens, I'll mention y and z and followed by the multiplication symbol. Okay. Now look at the remaining part of it. What is there? Along with the result, you're going to add t. If you're going along with the result, if you're going to add, what I'll do? I'll place t here, and this along with the existing result, I'll add this plus, isn't it? So this is done. So x is placed before to it. I can't able to bring the x here. So I'm just mention plus of x. This could be your expression for prefix, guys. Got it? So first preference is multiplication, do it, add t along with the existing result. Then this is before to it. Somehow you're going to add this value only along with it. So you're going to mention plus of x. What happened, Gayatri? Plus x only we added here. Yeah, you can do it. X plus can be done first, but you should, if you are solving in this way, it will be easy for you. First preference operator, then followed by the remaining added value, then you can go ahead to the previous one. Okay. Okay, start doing for postfix. Mm, yeah, Moni, that's good. The answer is right. Others, what happened? Durga Rajesh, good. Manikant, good. Saranya, good, Saranya. That's right. Akash, good. Shankar, that's right, good. Yeah, Krishna, that's right. Shankar, where is X? You missed X. No, Shankar. No, no, just a minute. Shankar Deepak. No, that's not right. X you wrote here, that's not right, ma. Krishna, that's right. Janvi, that's right. Lakshmi Prasanna, that's right, ma. Meenakshi, that's right. Narendra. Narendra, that's right now. Jay Prakash, that's right. Pradusha, that's right. Okay. Shall we discuss here? So how we are going to do this one? Yes, I found that's right. X, Y, we are going to multiply along with multiply here, and you are going to add X along with the existing result, right? So here you'll be mentioning X. Then here now I'll mention T plus. T will be added along with it. So here you'll be going like this from right to left. Here it will go left to right. Here you can take the value like this for prefix. For postfix you can take in this order. X by along with this x is added where the operator is going to be placed at your right hand, right? So you're supposed to place here then t plus. Okay. Now I'll give you one more small basic expression, guys. I guess you people got the idea about how to do this one, isn't it? So if I give b into b minus 4 into a into c. If I give like this, here I didn't give any order, guys. I given directly here. Mauni prefix. Good, Mauni. Akash, good. Amatya, minus symbol, where you're supposed to place it. No, Amatya, your logic is wrong. Krishna, just a minute. Krishna, just a minute. Krishna, I'll check to yours. Keep on popping. Where is Krishna? Krishna's husband here. Yeah, Krishna, yours is right. Janvi, yours is right. Sai Vikash, that's right. Sa Sri Pavan, that is not right. Check again. Lakshmi Prasanna. Yeah, that's right, ma. Pratusha. Yeah, that's right, Pratusha. Durga Rajesh. Yes, no. Durga Rajesh, check it again. Jai Prakash. You're right, Jai Prakash. Harika, that's good, Harika. Sai Vikash. Yes, good, Sai Vikash. Amatya. Amatya, your symbol placing is right, but check, just a minute. The operators, operands are wrong. B, A, C. The order is the placing of operators is wrong. You missed somewhere. The symbol is right, but look at the variables. That's not right. The order. Sai Kumar. No, that's not right, Sai Kumar. Pooja. That's right, Pooja. Saranya, no, that's not right. Gayatri, yes, that's right. Sai Pavan. Sai Pavan, your postfix is wrong. Prefix is right. Amartya, you are written at the bottom. The second one, what you wrote is right, Amartya. Okay. Pratusha. Good, Pratusha. Okay, guys, we'll discuss this prefix. Yeah, that's good, Deepachandan. Good. So what you're going to do? BB, we are going to do multiplication of it, isn't it? And the same way here, what you're going to do? You're going to do 4, 4, A, C. What you're going to do? You're going to multiplication of it. Since multiplication is given first preference, it is done multiplication. So what you're going to do? These two expressions, you're going to subtract it. So place the subtraction of operator before to it. Got it? So this is separate operation and this is separate operation. Subtraction is given last preference. So post your postfix answers soon, guys. We can wind up the session. Your postfix answer. Yeah, good, Amatya, good. That's right. Narendra. Okay, you could mention for prefix. Yeah, that's right. Krishna, that's right. Akash, check with your answer. Pooja, that's right. Jay Prakash, that's right. Navya, no, that's not right. Harika, that's right. Mauni, that's right. Janvi, that's right. Saranya, that's right, ma. Mm, Chakada, that's right. Good. Sai Ganesh, that's right, Sai Ganesh. Okay, keep on popping. Just give me a minute, guys. Janvi, that's right, Janvi. Chakada, right. Gayatri, right. Okay. Deepachandan, check with your answer once. Narendra, that's right, Narendra. Okay, guys, we'll see. Good. Akash, that's right, ma. We'll discuss the answer this time, right? So we'll discuss the answer. If you want, you can take multiple questions are there. You can take and you can solve this one. Look at here. What you're going to do is you're going to mention B, multiplication of it. Same way, 4AC, multiplication of it. Okay, we are going to subtraction of both both the element. Guys, is that clear for everyone how to convert one expression to other expression? Yeah, Lagari, that's right, Lagari. Is that clear for everyone, ma? So if at all your question is arising from this part, will you answer? Is it easy, right? Okay, good. Okay, guys, we can wind up the session. Meet you by afternoon. Thank you, guys.